Very thirsty. Can you get me a glass of water?
What are you doing, mummy? What are you doing? I want to practice with you.
And principles in yes. In fact, I have.
लेकिन मजाक बनाते थे और आज वो इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलने लगा है.
I want to tell you my story. How was
They see you speak so clean and bright, but not your practice every night. Behind each word, there is work so true. Success comes from what they never knew. People see glory, not the story. But in this video, I am going to talk about my story. How did I learn this language? I practiced of speaking English a lot by doing lot of things. I can show you what did I do for practice. I am going to show you visuals so that you can connect. So watch the visuals, how did I practice of speaking, and you can too. I used to speak in front of the people. I used to speak in front of my friends, with my friends in English language. They don't understand. Some of them used to be irritated by me. They used to say lots of bad or hate comments like अंग्रेज की औलाद, अंग्रेज चले गए, अंग्रेजों का जूठन यहीं पर. यार इंग्लिश मत झाड़, इंग्लिश बंद करना, हिंदी में बात कर. इस तरीके से they used to make fun of me, but I never let them to stop me. I never let them to stop me. And apart from this, I used to practice in front of the mirror.
Hello, this is Aditya Prajapati, and today I am going to tell you my story. How was my day today? Today, actually, I woke up early in the morning, and after that, I went to outside for a walk, for a morning walk, and there I did lot of exercises, including pull-ups, push-ups, and sit-ups. My house and
So practicing in front of the mirror used to be a good method for me, because whenever I used to be afraid of speaking in front of the public or friends, I used to speak in front of the mirror. Mirror is good thing. Mirror technique is very helpful for me. It was very helpful. So I will definitely recommend everyone to use mirror. And apart from this, I used to record my video. I used to speak a lot. Before I started my YouTube channel, even then I used to make a lot of videos of speaking. I have made a lot of videos.
My name is Aditya, and in this video I'm going to talk about that how I started preparing for IELTS. So this video is totally devoted for my aim. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Before diving into the video, I'm just going to talk about myself. My name is Aditya, and I live in a very small village of Uttar Pradesh. I come from a very humble background. My father is a home guard, and I just want to become an IAS officer.
Apart from these things, I used to speak with myself. I used to say a lot of things, the mimicry or other kinds of things, like I am going to show you.
I'm very thirsty. Can you get me a glass of water? Can you get me? Wouldn't you like to get me a glass of water? Would you like to take a cup of coffee or tea? I would like to take a cup of coffee. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Be in your limits. Be in your limits. Otherwise, I will beat you. I will slap you. Be in your limits. When I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go and make yourself some friends, otherwise you will be lonely. When I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go and make yourself some friends, otherwise you will be lonely. Otherwise you will be lonely. You will be lonely. I will be a good teacher. I will learn English come what may. I will learn this language. There's no one who can stop me to learn this language. Whatever the works I will have to do, I will do for this.
If anyone would see me practicing like this, they can say I am mad. They can say I am mental. My mental condition is not good. But I used to practice like this because this can make us feel enjoyable, and we are not feeling any kinds of boring feeling, and with that we are learning a lot. So I used to enjoy, I used to dance like this and practice English speaking. I used to practice like I am just talking with someone. And apart from this, I used to speak in front of the wall. I used to talk with wall. I used to talk, and I used to talk with mummy, and because moms are good. Moms will never try to make fun of you. You can talk with your mom whatever you are able to speak. You just have to speak, and after that you have to make her understand like this.
What are you doing, mummy? What are you doing? क्या कर रही हो मम्मी?
काम कर रहा है.
When I used to talk with puppies or dogs, at that time I used to speak with them. For examples, let's see how I used to talk with any animal.
Hi baby, what are you doing? Can you teach me English? I just want to practice English speaking. I want to practice with you. Will you help me? Will you help me? Hello. I love you. I love dogs. I love. You are so cute. You are so cute. You are so cute. You are so cute.
It did not matter for me whether they can understand or not, but I just had to use the sentences which I used to learn, which I had to use in my daily life, so that I can have good practice every day, so that I can practice a lot and speak very good English. So I just used to speak with animals as well. Yes, this is right. This is right. I did a lot of practice with animals. Guys, this is not the end of the story. Apart from all these things, I used to read books. I have always been fascinated by achievement. This fascination has led me to study its laws and principles in depth. In fact, I have devoted the past 20 years to better understanding this phenomenon. As I travel the world speaking to audiences of all kinds, I regularly meet many people who set out unoccupied to achieve. In such cases, I have found that they are not applying one or more of the laws. That I used to read 2 or 3 pages every day. Every day I had to read at least, if I'm not reading the books, so I used to read newspaper so that I can learn new vocabulary and other things from that reading. So reading helped me a lot, and apart from reading, I used to write. After sometimes when I started learning this language, I started writing 2 pages every day at night before I used to go for sleep. So I just had to write 2 pages of whatever the things I used to do from morning to night. I used to write. Simply I used to write all the things. In starting I was not able to write very well, but I used to write a lot so that I can learn. The ultimate target was I had to learn this language. So whatever the things I had to do, I did for this. I did everything for this. So even now, if you don't believe on me, so watch these videos. Watch.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए है जो इंग्लिश सीखते हैं। ये मेरा दोस्त आदित्य कुमार, ये पहले इंग्लिश बोला करता था। इसके इंग्लिश बोलने में बहुत ही कमेंट किया करते थे, पर इसने हार नहीं मानी इंग्लिश सीखने में। यही वीडियो, इसलिए ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए। आप इंग्लिश बोलिए और आपके बारे में कोई भी कुछ कहे, आपको सुनना नहीं है, बस अपनी सुनना है कि मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना है तो सीखना है। इसलिए ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए है।
रात का मित्र है मेरा,
तो जैसे ही मतलब लोगों से मिलता था तो इंग्लिश बोलता था, तो लोगों को ही लगता था क्या बोल रहा है, लोगों को समझ नहीं आता था बिल्कुल भी। तो लोग उसका मजाक बनाने लगते थे, या भाई क्या बोल रहा है यार तू, हमें मेरे पल्ले नहीं पड़ रहा, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा तू बोल क्या रहा है। तो वो लेकिन उसने कभी हार ही नहीं मानी और वो लगा रहा है, जो भी मिलता उससे इंग्लिश बोलता रहा और कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बोलता था, खूब बोलता था, लोग लेकिन मजाक बनाते थे। और आज वो इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलने लगा है कि लोगों को अब प्राउड होता है उसके ऊपर कि हाँ भाई बहुत अच्छी खासी इंग्लिश बोलने लगा है। तो भाई आप लोगों से ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आप लोगों को हार नहीं माननी। जैसे हमारे आदित्य भाई थे ना, उन्होंने इंग्लिश मतलब थोड़ा ऐसे ही बोलते थे, नॉर्मल बोलते थे, फिर धीरे धीरे बोलना सीख गए। तो आप लोग भी ऐसे ही लगे रहेंगे तो आप भी अच्छी खासी इंग्लिश बोलना सीख जाएंगे। तो वैसे मैंने भी उनके जरिए काफी कुछ सीखा है, तो आप भी अगर प्रयास करेंगे तो आप भी सीखेंगे। आप लोगों से इतना ही कहना है।
So guys, this is my story that I have shown you. This is my story exactly. Guys, hard work is the key to learn anything. Hard work is the key. Hard work will make you fluent. Hard work will make you a person who is able to do anything. So I have shown you my struggle, how I used to speak in front of my mommy, how I used to talk, how I used to practice in front of the mirror, how I used to talk with people, how I used to practice English basically. I have shown everything and this is how I learned this language. So lastly, I am going to give you an idea that you must believe on hard work rather than other kinds of things. You will have to do hard work. You will have to get out of your comfort zone, and this is the only thing that will make you fluent. This is the only thing that will make you fluent, and that will help you to start speaking very well. Within 6 months, you will be able to speak very good English. There is no one who can stop you. And I firmly believe on this quote: if you want something that you never had, you'll have to do something you never did. So guys, if I can do it, you can do it too. It is easy. If you are taking it easy, if you are taking it in an enjoyable manner, there is nothing tough. There is nothing tough. Just enjoy your journey. Enjoy and be the part of this journey. Learn this language. This language has been very important. You must not neglect this language. You have to learn, come what may, by all means.